Introduction to Computer Programming Languages. A detailed overview of popular programming languages. Presentation overview. Types of programming languages. Computer programming languages can be classified into different types, from low-level machine code to high-level scripting languages, each with its own set of features and applications. Key differences between programming languages. There are many key differences between programming languages, including syntax, applications, ease of learning, and developer support. Best practices for choosing a programming language. Choosing the right programming language depends on various factors such as project requirements, developer skills, and community support. We will discuss best practices for selecting the right language for your next project. Types of computer programming languages. Low-level languages. Low-level languages such as assembly language provide direct access to hardware and are used when performance is critical. They are difficult to learn and use but offer fine-grained control over the hardware. High-level languages. High-level languages such as Java and Python are easier to learn and use than low-level languages. They provide a higher level of abstraction and are used for developing applications, software frameworks, and libraries. Scripting languages. Scripting languages such as JavaScript and PHP are used for automation, web development, and dynamic content creation. They're interpreted rather than compiled, making them slower but more flexible. Compiled languages. Compiled languages such as C and C++ are used for system programming, embedded systems, and operating systems. They are faster than interpreted languages but require more effort to learn and use. Low-level languages. Assembly language is a low-level programming language that is close to the machine code and requires a deep understanding of computer architecture. It is often used for systems programming, such as device drivers or operating systems. High-level languages, ease of learning. High-level programming languages are designed to be easily read and written by humans, making them easier to learn and use than low-level languages. Usage. High-level programming languages are often used for web development, scientific computing, and artificial intelligence due to their ease of use and powerful features. Scripting languages. Scripting languages such as JavaScript and PHP are designed for small, fast programs and web development. They're often used for dynamic web pages, server-side scripting, and automation. Compiled languages. High-performance computing. Compiled languages such as C and C++ are often used in high-performance computing applications where performance is a critical factor. Gaming. Compiled languages are often used for game development, where performance is a critical factor for a smooth and immersive gaming experience. System programming. Compiled languages are often used for system programming, where low-level access to hardware is required. Differences between computer programming languages. Syntax. Programming languages have different syntax, which affects how code is written and read. Syntax can impact the ease of learning and understanding a language. Applications. Different languages have different applications. Some languages are better suited for web development, while others are better suited for scientific computing, mobile development, or game development. Cost. The cost of using a programming language can vary widely depending on the language, platform, and tools. Some languages are open source and free, while others require expensive licenses or subscriptions. Syntax. Syntax in programming languages. Syntax is the set of rules that defines how programs are written in a programming language. It includes the structure of statements, declarations, and expressions, as well as the use of punctuation marks and other symbols. Python syntax. Python has a simple and easy to learn syntax that makes it one of the most popular programming languages among beginners. Its syntax is concise and readable, making it easy to write and understand Python code. C++ syntax. C++ has a complex and verbose syntax that makes it difficult to learn and master. It requires a lot of attention to detail and understanding of complex syntax rules, which can be challenging for beginners. Applications JavaScript for web development. JavaScript is one of the most popular programming languages for web development because it enables developers to create interactive and dynamic web pages that respond to user actions. C++ for gaming and high performance computing. C++ is often used for gaming and high performance computing tasks because of its speed and performance. It is also widely used in developing operating systems, system software, and embedded systems. Host, free and open source programming languages. Python and Ruby are free and open source programming languages that are widely used and supported by large online communities. Expensive programming languages. MATLAB and SAS are expensive programming languages that require licenses. These languages are commonly used in scientific and engineering fields. Impact on startups and small businesses. The cost of a programming language can be an important factor for startups and small businesses. Free and open source languages can be a more cost-effective option, while expensive languages may require a larger investment. Ease of learning. Python. Python is a popular programming language known for its simple syntax and ease of learning. It is widely used in data science and machine learning. C++. C++ is a high-level programming language that requires a deep understanding of computer architecture and memory management. It is used in system programming and game development. Best practices for choosing a computer programming language. Project requirements. The first step in choosing a programming language is to identify the project's requirements. Consider factors such as scalability, performance, and compatibility with existing systems. Developer skills. The choice of programming language should also take into account the skills and experience of the development team. Choose a language that the team is familiar with to reduce development time and improve code quality. Community support. Another important factor to consider when choosing a programming language is the size and activity of the language's community. A large and active community can help to resolve issues and provide support. Project requirements. The first step in choosing a programming language is to identify your project requirements, which includes the type of application, the platform, and the performance requirements. This will help you determine the best programming language and platform for your project. Developer skills. Assessing developer skills. To build a high quality software product, it is important to assess the skills of your development team. Some programming languages require a high level of skill and experience, while others are more beginner friendly. Advanced programming languages. Advanced programming languages such as C++, Java, and Python require a high level of skill and experience to develop complex software applications. Beginner-friendly programming languages. Beginner-friendly programming languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are easier to learn and require less experience to develop simple software applications. Community support. Availability of libraries and frameworks. The availability of libraries and frameworks is an important factor to consider when evaluating community support for a programming language. A large number of libraries and frameworks signifies an active and supportive community. Online resources. The availability of online resources such as tutorials, documentation, and forums is also an important factor to consider when evaluating community support for a programming language. A large number of online resources signifies an active and supportive community. Size and activity of the community. Size and activity of the community is a key factor in evaluating community support for a programming language. A large and active community signifies strong support, ongoing development, and a large pool of knowledge and resources to draw from. Conclusion. Choosing the right language for your software development project is critical. Understanding the key differences between programming languages and best practices for choosing a language can help you make informed decisions and build better software. Thank you.